Hey guys, I know it's been a while since me and Raiden have done a video, but now that we have like a day to decompress, we decided to do like a really relaxing video. And we already tested this out before we did this video because we didn't want to like mess up. But we're gonna be doing an acrylic pour. We thought it'd be something like cool and relaxing, you know, and something that like if it's your first time doing an acrylic pour, we can, you know, give you some tips and tricks. But yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned. So the first time we did an acrylic pour, we didn't get the right medium. We got like a wrong one because you need a medium in order to make it like really runny. So we got the wrong one.
We used Mod Podge.
Yeah.
And
instead of using the medium, we found another like, I guess like a dupe for a medium, and it was Mod Podge. So we ended up doing Mod Podge, and they came out pretty good. They were just like sticky, but I guess because we didn't fully wait for them to dry. But other than that, they came out pretty good. So this time I asked a friend because she does a lot of pretty acrylic pours. I'm gonna link her Twitter below because she's selling them right now. But she told me that we could use Elmer's glue, and then like to make it like the medium and to make it more runnier or like thinner, you can use alcohol. And I don't think it matters the percentage. I mean, mine's like the 91%, so I don't think it matters. So we're gonna test that out and see how that goes. Last time we used really big cups, so I was like, okay, let's just use little ones so it helps us to not waste so much paint, because we wasted a lot of paint. I need a spatula to whisk. Hold on.
like all the plastic knives. I got standards.
Actually,
And now.
I think we can do it. Okay, so I'm not gonna start this yet. Okay, I'm gonna do.
I would use that like whenever you're pouring, like
Yeah,
you record
that's
you
what I'm gonna
pouring
do.
it. That's awesome.
Okay. Did you open up? And you can pick any different colors you want in them. Like, it doesn't matter. It's like a type of art that you don't really have to try. It's just like, you know, whatever you want to do, whatever you feel like.
Do we have to mix each one at the base, the glue, or?
Yeah, you're gonna do a little bit of glue, and then you're gonna like stir it. And the thing is, when we started last time, we put water so we didn't have to mix so much paint with the other ones.
I think it'd be good because last time I was able to like, oh, this is glue.
Mod Podge is glue too. My eyelashes are messy. Let me see if I can get something with like, maybe I can fill up these little cups with water. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know what colors I want to do. I think I want to do. There's like so many possibilities.
I really like how the red, black, and white ones have. So I'm gonna do a red, black.
And remember, don't use so much, cause I mean they're expensive, but you know, don't use a lot of glue either.
Oh, whoa. Should I do it up to like that first line?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, because whatever color you're using, like if you want to use my color, you know, you can use the same cup.
That's
and
true.
if you have to add more, because last time we did it like
That's true, yeah.
messiness, like we added too much of stuff.
Okay, so I'm doing red.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, it came out fast.
Huh? Okay. Well, I have like a pink. And you can like mix it.
Oh, I could do like It inspired because it's spooky season.
And we just saw it, and it's really freaking good. I recommend it for all of you to watch.
10 out of
It was
10.
like very scary, like not like scary, just a lot of more gore, right?
No spoilers, please.
Okay. And I'm gonna add a little bit of alcohol.
It came out like lighter, but I want to.
Oh!
I don't know. It smells like a public restroom.
It smells like a public restroom.
Did you put alcohol in yours too?
Yeah. Well.
That looks like blood. You put it in water?
I just put it in water so I didn't have to use so many knives. I think I might do the curve first.
Did you like spray
did.
once or?
I just sprayed like a little bit. It pours a lot.
Why?
Didn't I just damn tell your ass not to do it? I did it.
Oh, this is getting everywhere.
That's my ass. Oh.
Okay, so
Maybe I'm just gonna.
that's how we. Oh wait, we do our colors first. That's right.
Yeah.
No, I forgot.
I just told him that. Oh my gosh, there's so much
What
glue.
did she get? Talk about that lick.
Walk with a limp eight.
I don't know why they don't give you like a squeeze top.
What do you mean?
Like with the nozzle or like a little hole for it to
I
come
think
out
it's
of?
because it's like that's a reusable one. Like
shit.
you refill them. Oh no! I almost got my canvas wet.
Non-toxic. What's up?
So hungry.
So hungry, Grandpa.
Hungry. Man, I don't know if this is gonna come out good or not. I'm doing a lot of colors, so I think I'll be fine. Hey, why are you yawning over there?
Keeping it light. How many canvases do we have each?
We each get 3 because I got the 6-pack.
So I'm gonna do like a dark one, a light one, and like
I want to try
That's the
one with like doing it says you can do I read like you can do like dish soap and stuff. So if we run out of that alcohol, we could probably do dish soap or something. I'm gonna keep the black one for that one for me. What?
no something,
Just a little splash.
something light. I feel like it needs like very little glue. This shit comes out thick, man. Oh, I can't even tell what's glue and what's white paint.
Well, you'll know because how thin it is.
Oh, there was like juice in here.
Oh yeah, that's because it's probably been sitting there for a while. You gotta shake it up like it's ketchup.
That ketchup water? That's what it looked like.
That's the best part.
It smells like a public restroom.
Okay, I'm gonna start pouring. I'm scared. Okay.
See, that's not a lot of red paint. Like, you got a lot more than I did.
What do you mean? And then like you can do any style. Like I just did like dots and I started layering it.
Layers.
And then you just swirl it around and you know, if you want it to fall off your canvas, you can. And it just creates like a lot of cool like designs.
I can see it.
I think you can. Or you can also do it with like I think certain like mediums and whatnot. I think I put very little paint on this one.
That's pretty. There's a lot of black and white. I wanted more red.
I feel like I didn't do a lot of paint. Like I'm gonna have a lot of white space on my. Oh no, my fingerprint. Why is it so clumpy?
Because of milk? I mean milk. Because the glue? We use milk as our base this time.
Some more alternative.
So this time it was with caramel coffee creamer.
This is how it looks so far.
It's been a lot more paint.
But then I'm gonna add some paint. What?
Making a mess. Okay,
Oh, you're not putting it on the floor, right? Because you're not even paying attention to what you're doing.
Yes, I am. No, I'm not. I'm going on the phone.
What if I'm ruining this paint? Okay. Try it now. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that goop. I like to make like, I like to turn around. Make like swirls.
Oh, shit.
I don't think ours are thin enough.
No, because mine's already like hardening.
Mine's hardening too. Then again, it was like that with the Mod Podge, right?
I think so.
I'm trying to remember. It at least doesn't smell as bad as last time. Ooh, this looks rated. Oh,
I'm watching.
I thought you were getting it on the floor.
Right then.
Oh no, Robin. I can't see what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing.
Straight down the middle. Your back is all dirty.
Huh?
The back of it.
Whoops.
I needed more paint. That was my mess up, man.
I honestly probably
I
could.
have like a lot of white left over.
That's how mine was. That's why I added a lot fucking more. Cause I was like, ooh. Cause it was like clumpy.
Me.
Oh man, it's like every time you move it, you create like a different like. It's totally a different picture every time.
Me. Also me. No. Okay. I'll go home.
Get the hell out. I'm just showing you how it looks. Like it looks pretty fucking cool. I don't think it's really going to do it.
You do? Try to fuck on me?
Oh no! I got fucking paint on my elbow. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I'm fucking it up so much on the corners.
Fuck it up, sis.
Oh! Look at mine.
You kill everything you do.
I honestly think I'm done. I have a little bit of white spots, but it's not too bad. But look at the way it came out.
You have like full coverage. Look at mine.
That still looks pretty good though. It does look like, it looks like the upside, whatever the fuck. I don't watch Stranger Things. You know what I'm talking about?
It's like carnage, like Venom.
It's pretty cool, right? I did a shot on the GoPro, but I don't know if it's gonna come out good. It looks so cool.
And that's on God, on period, on Genghis.
And this is on Genghis, on God, on period.
This is sponsored by Genghis Squirrel. Use discount code.
So for my, cause my birthday was on a Tuesday, so the weekend before I was like, oh, let's go to Houston, you know, do fun things or whatever. And so when we were in Houston with like my friend and I, literally all we ate was Genghis Grill, and I've never heard of Genghis Grill until Krista, hey KP, but she showed us Genghis and we've never heard of it because I was like, oh, that's kind of weird. It's Mongolian food. Like I've never tasted it, but I mean, I'm down to try. When we tried it, oh my god, it was so good, right? And I knew we had one here in Corpus, but I've never like thought to try it because I was like, oh, I'm not gonna try it. But literally, that's all we freaking ate in Houston was Genghis. Like breakfast, lunch, and dinner was Genghis.
Not breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner was Genghis. My body built by Genghis. Amen.
I just took a DNA test. Turns out I'm 80% Genghis. And that's on God.
That's on God. Okay, I think I'm done with mine. Look at the way it came out.
Dude, how do you cover your entire canvas?
You just keep manipulating it, like moving and stuff.
You manipulator.
I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna do a close-up cam to see how Brayden's doing since he's been struggling so much.
Wait, no. You have to like...
It looks so cool. It definitely looks like Scooby-Doo vibes.
I know. Why is she licking her
Oh
cage?
my gosh, can you be any louder? Oh.
Aww.
She's thirsty, Grandpa.
Thirsty, Grandpa.
Ramsey.
How does that old guy do it? He's like...
Oh my god. Okay, so we took a little break to let them dry and stuff after we were done doing it.